Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures. And in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be taking in an adventure checking out Vancouver's Gastown district. So here we are in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. If you find yourselves in Vancouver, the first thing that you want to do is explore Vancouver's Gastown district. So we'll be starting here in Vancouver. There's one of the iconic buildings here in the Gastown. Here you can see many of these shops. So let's go ahead and explore Vancouver's Gastown. So we are on Water Street. Gastown is the historic soul of Vancouver, which established in 1867 when a colorful seaman named John Gassy Jack Dighton arrived with a single barrel of whiskey and a vision to open a saloon. So this area grew rapidly around his tavern, eventually becoming the nucleus of the city we know today. Although the Great Fire of 1886 nearly wiped out the neighborhood off the map, it was quickly rebuilt with heavy timber and red brick Victorian architecture that we see that gives the district its distinctive rugged charm. So today, these cobblestone streets serve as a bridge between Vancouver's frontier past and its modern identity as a global hub for design, fashion, and film. So as you can see, all the buildings are built by brick. As you can see, when we're walking on cobblestone street, we're walking on Water Street, which in 2025 can be a pedestrian walkway. While it's not busy, it can be turned back with cars running through this iconic street. So the neighborhood's most recognizable landmark, which we'll be checking out, is undoubtedly the Gastown Steam Clock, which is situated at the corner of Water and Canby Streets. While it appears to be a century-old relic, it was actually built in 1977 by Raymond Sanders to harness the city's underground steam heating system. So every 15 minutes, the clock draws a crowd as it whistles the Westminster quarters and releases a plume of white steam. So beyond the clock, Gastown has transformed into a culinary and nightlife powerhouse. The Gastown district is home to award-winning restaurants as well as high-end boutique in the famous Blood Alley, which has transitioned from its gritty namesake history into a destination for hidden gems and atmospheric dining. Here we have this gallery, and we have also these games that you can play on the street. In recent years, Gastown has continued to evolve with a focus on heritage preservation and pedestrian-friendly urban planning. As of 2025, parts of Water Streets have been reimagined to prioritize foot traffic, allowing for vibrant seasonal markets and expanded outdoor patios that enhance the European-style atmosphere. While the area remains a must-visit for its aesthetic and history, it sits at a unique intersection of wealth and social challenges bordering the downtown east side. This proximity serves as a reminder of the city's complex social history, making Gastown a place that is much about local resiliency and community as it's about tourism and commerce. So if you walk to your left, you would find yourselves in a different area of the neighborhood in Vancouver. And let's just say that you don't want to walk in that direction. This is the place to be if you're a tourist in Vancouver, Canada. And yeah, so this is Gastown is a great place to buy your souvenirs. As you can see here, we have one of many souvenir shops. We will be checking out the Hudson House, Hudson gift shop, and here's the iconic Gastown steam clock on the corner of Water and Canby Streets. And as you can see, we have many people are waiting to see the Gastown steam clock in action. So yeah. So I've read that this steam clock, when it was built, was supposed to hide the steam that comes out underground. And here you can learn more about the Gastown steam clock. Here are the sponsors. My name is Contributor. And you can see how it functions on the inside. And this is a beautiful steam clock, none that I've seen before. Here is the other side, the world's first steam clock, powered clock. And here's more information on this side. And you can learn more about this area, Gastown. And you can see the wheel. The other two steam clocks that I've seen was in Indianapolis, and the other one was in Reno. And here's the Gastown steam clock. And let's see the Gastown steam clock in action. And yeah, so that is the Gastown steam clock. Here are the crowds that gather around the hour to take a look at this clock in action. Here's the rest of the neighborhood. Such a beautiful neighborhood here in Vancouver. And here, as we look up, that is the Vancouver Lookout, which we'll be checking out soon. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you can see the Gastown in the distance, and here is the Hudson House. This is a must stop if you want to buy souvenirs, and here you can see all the souvenirs and merchandise from the Hudson House. And this is a great place to take a picture with this mascot, the moose. And yes, so that is what the Hudson House Village looks like from the inside. And let's go ahead and take a look at the steam clock one last time. And yeah. So here's one last time to end our adventure. So if you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about Vancouver's Gastown. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And I'll see you on the next one.